Okay, this is problem number 2. Since the question says that x is 0, I'm going to use this formula of 0. And then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to derive. So that's y. Then y of prime is sum infinity and equals 1. And then I'm going to derive it again since we have a double prime here. I think it'll fit. Okay. Now next thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to plug these in into what the original equation says. So I'm this one minus x and y. So that's not y. Just putting it in. And then minus x and y, which is just the sum okay. Now I'm going to I realized I wrote this part wrong. I forgot to put the exponent and I already added it there. Okay, now I'm just going to distribute the x. I'm going to rewrite everything else. And it's plus 1. Oh, and then I forgot to add the 0. Okay. Now, to combine these two, I have to re-index. So I'm going to use for the power of x. It's actually going to be, I'm going to use x to the k, which then means that k for the first, for double y prime, it's going to be k equals n minus 2, because we have a 2 right there. And then if we solve for n, then n is going to be k plus 2. And then whenever n equals 2, k is going to equal 0. And then they're both going to be infinity. And if I rewrite that down, rewrite it, it's going to be sum of k equals 0, k plus 2, k plus 1, then a of, not of, just plus 2 again. And then here's the x to the k that we're looking for. Now for the second part, k is going to be n plus 1. Oh, wait. No, okay. Yeah, so it's going to be n plus 1, and then if we solve for n, it's going to be n equals k minus 1. When n equals 0, k is going to equal 1. And then again, they both go to infinity. And if I rewrite that, it's going to be minus sum plus 1 a of k minus 1 and x to the k. Now I'm going to plug in 0, because that's what k is. And then I'm also going to switch it back into, instead of k's, I'm going to use the n's again. So I'm going to plug in 0. Plus 2 k 0